everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to craft the brick drawer cabinet in Heartopia. So in this event, at the Modular Street event, Heartopia has you, you can craft any special furniture. One of them is this brick drawer cabinet. And to craft this furniture, first you must have the recipe. You can get this recipe after you reach level 40 at the battle pass like this. And then after you reach this level, after you reach this level, the recipe will be added to your workbench. So just go to your workbench and then just search for the brick drawer cabinet, this one. And then next, just complete all the materials. You need the timber and then quality timber and then modular brick material pack. And then after that, just adjust the amount that you want to craft. And then after that, just tap on craft and tap on hold to continue, just like that. And just like that, you will unlock, or you will successfully making the brick drawer cabinet like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.